Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36 reference 116234 white gold fluted bezel Jubilee bracelet on silver Arabic Deco dial. I'm going to talk to you guys about the case, the bezel, the dial, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So first, this watch is actually discontinued. It's been replaced by reference 126234. However, they don't make this dial anymore. This is called the Deco dial or the silver Arabic dial, and it's special because it's discontinued. Not only that, I'll go through a few other special things about it in a second, but yes, this watch is discontinued. So if you want this dial configuration, you have to buy it at JazzTime.com, of course, which is the maker of this video. Okay, so let's talk about the case. The case is 36 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. That's either a small size for men or a large size for a woman. So they make this Datejust generally for men in 36 and 41, 36 being small men, 41 being large men, or a woman could wear it. They make Datejust in 28, 31, 36, so it could be on the large end of a woman's watch. Okay, it's a stainless steel case. It's actually a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown. So how does that look? Well, it's all made of stainless steel with a movement inside, as you see. Now the thickness is quite thin. I don't know exactly. I think it's around 12.5 millimeters or 12 millimeters, something like that. It's quite thin, so it can easily fit under your cuff, your suit cuff if you're a man. Now the material, as I said earlier, is stainless steel, but Rolex calls this white Rolesor. And what does that mean? It means it has a stainless steel here, which they call oyster steel, and 18 karat white gold, which is this part right here, this fluted part, or serrated edge, or knife edge, or coin edge right here that my finger is going around. That's the bezel, and that's made of 18 karat white gold. So Rolex actually calls this material white gold and steel. Since I've already talked about the bezel, let's move on to the dial, which I told you earlier is quite special. Now, what is exactly special about it? Well, aside from it being discontinued, it's special for a couple other reasons, and I'm not sure why they discontinued, because it's actually a very amazing dial. Now, I want to bring your attention to it. Like, if you look at it, it actually looks very 3D. It's actually my favorite dial for the Datejust, so I have no idea why they would discontinue. Maybe they're going to bring it back, but at least as of now, 2020, they have not. Now, what do I mean by this being a special dial? Now, look at the center. It has these cross pattern, okay? And then you look at the numbers. You see how they're raised? And then if you look at the outer edge, it has like a circle, right? Followed by another outer edge, which also appears to have like an X pattern to it, which gives it a 3D look. And so it makes this whole dial look 3D. And not only does it look 3D, it actually is, because the numbers are raised. And not only that, it also luminesces. Now, I was saving this for the last part, but check out these Arabic numbers. I mean, it looks amazing. That's how it would look under light or under dark if it was charged. Those numbers actually luminesce, and they luminesce very amazingly. So that's why I think this is one of the coolest dials. Now, if you want to buy this watch, please go to JazzTime.com, JazzTime.com. Now, let's talk about the movement here. Now, you can't see the movement, but this is the older caliber 3135 with a precision of ±7 seconds a day and a power reserve of 48 hours. Okay, now I want to tell you what is different between this model and the newer version. The newer 126234 has thinner lugs, which is where my finger is touching right now. It also has a different movement. This one is a 3135. The newer movement is a 3235, which is more precise and has a longer power reserve. And the next part, which is the bracelet, this is a Jubilee 5-piece link oyster steel with folding oyster clasp, easy link 5mm comfort extension. Actually, I'm sorry. It does not have a oyster clasp with 5mm comfort extension. It has only a concealed crown clasp with no comfort extension. The newer version does have an Easy Link 5mm comfort extension. You might be asking what that is. Do you see how here you cannot adjust any millimeters? It's just you close it and that's it. This is called the concealed crown clasp. Now, they don't make this version anymore. You see how when you close the Jubilee bracelet, you cannot see anything? Well, on the newer versions, this part right here, the buckle, is a oyster clasp. It looks like a buckle. Now, some people think that this concealed one is better. Some people think that with the buckle is better. I mean, that's up to you, you know. I'm not really sure which one, you know, you could go either way on it. Suffice it to say, this model 116234 has this concealed crown clasp. Okay, so if you like that, well, then you gotta buy this watch. Okay, anyways, as I told you at the beginning of this video, I would tell you my thoughts, but not before telling you where you could buy this watch at jaztime.com, JAZTIME.com. You can click on the link in the description below to buy this watch at the lowest price anywhere online. Okay, so my thoughts are, this is an amazingly unique, cool Datejust Rolex, and if you want a dress watch that doesn't have the same dial as everyone else, this would be the one to get. Now, at least as of 2020, this watch is selling right around retail. I suspect that moving forward, the price is probably going to go up because of the availability. It might even be selling for above retail. So if you like this dial, and I don't know why you wouldn't, you should probably get it at jaztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jaztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.